Hello guys, this is John Michael and today I'm going to share you some knowledge about rational function. Rational function. Rational function is a function in the form of f of x equals p of x is over q of x, where p of x and q of x are polynomial functions, and q of x is not a zero polynomial function because if the q of x is equal to 0, our function will turn into undefined. The domain of f of x is all values of x where q of x is not equal to 0. Here is a given equation. F of x equals 100 over x. Construct a table of values and plot it in a Cartesian plane to visualize the rational function. All I did here is that I've substituted my chosen value of x to the given equation, and here is the outcomes as we can see in the table of values. So we already have the outcomes, and next, plot the points on the table of values on a Cartesian plane to determine if the points of the function f of x equals 100 over x is following a smooth curve or a straight line. So, we already have an answer obviously, and the equation f of x equals 100 over x follows a smooth curve. And that's all. Thank you.
Rational equation. Rational equation is an equation containing at least one fraction whose numerator and denominator are polynomials. Steps in solving rational equation. First step, find the LCD of the equation. Second step, multiply both sides of the equation with the LCD. Third step, simplify the equation to get the value of the unknown variable. And the last step, check solutions to know if the value of x satisfies the equation.
How to solve rational equation. First, factor all denominators. Second, find the least common denominator or the LCD. Third, multiply each side of the equation by LCD to cancel out the denominator. Fourth, solve the equation. Fifth, check the solution. Reject any solution that makes the denominator equals to 0. So the example is 1 over x plus 1 over x minus 8 equals to 1/3. So first, you will find the LCD, and the LCD is 3x and x minus 8. So you will distribute the LCD. So all the x will be cancelled out. Same like terms will be cancelled out. Now the equation is 3x minus 24 plus 3x equals x squared minus 8. So you will add same terms. So now x squared equals 14x plus 24 equals 0. So now you will transform it to the standard form. And the standard form is x minus 12 and x minus 2 equals 0. So the value of x is equals 12 or x equals 2.
For the topic rational inequalities, first, you should know the general rules of interval notation. For example number 1, solve x plus 2 over x minus 6 greater than or equal to 0. Step 1, put the inequality in standard form. Step 2, set the numerator and denominator equal to 0 and solve. The values you get is called critical values. Step 3, plot the critical values in a number line, breaking it to intervals. Take note if the solution is true, then the circle is included. Then if it is not, the circle should be an open circle. For the step 4, find the test point to each interval. Take a test number from each interval and plug it into the original inequality. If it makes a true statement, then the interval from which it came is in the solution. If it makes a false statement, then the interval from which it came is not in the solution. Lastly, the step 5, determine if the endpoints of the intervals in the solution should be included in the intervals.